Good morning, everyone. Hi, I am Japneet, and let's begin a new session of English tenses. And today we are going to do past continuous tense. Before beginning past continuous tense, I would like to recap my previous session, which was about simple past tense. So let's see what was simple past tense. Simple past tense shows the finished time word, like I went to cinema yesterday. मैं कल गई थी cinema. Finished time period, like it shows the time period that has already finished. Leonardo painted the Mona Lisa, already had done this work. It also shows details of news, like I have hurt my leg, I fell off a ladder. That person is giving news that he fell off ladder and he hurt his leg. It also shows the action in stories, like he sat down and ordered a coffee. It also tells the unreal and imaginary things. If I won the lottery, I would buy a house. अगर मैं जीत जाता तो मैं एक घर खरीदता. एक imaginary चीज़ है कि अगर ऐसा हो जाता तो मैं ऐसा कर लेता. Let's revise the rules of simple past tense, that if we want to use forms of be that are was and were, how we are going to use that with first, second and third person. With I we will use was, he, she, it was, you, we, they were. And how we going to use had, I had, he, she, it had, you, we, they had. All these persons use had when we are talking in past tense. Now move on to the forms of word which will be used with simple past, in simple past tense with these person. I played, he played, you played. So what form we have used? We have used verb plus ed or d. Verb is added with ed or d, like play becomes played, chase becomes chased, dance become danced. So here we have added ed or d in the verb to form a past tense. Now let's move on to our today's topic, which is past continuous tense. So what is past continuous tense? The past continuous tense refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at the same point in the past. The thing which was happening in the past in continuity, चलती जा रही थी पास्ट में, वो पास्ट continuous tense बताता है. It describes action that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. The action started and continued for a time. That is past continuous tense. It describes action or event that happened at the specific time in the past. कब वो काम हुआ था उसके बारे में ये बताता है. Let's see through examples. So past continuous tells us about the story backgrounds, like the birds were singing and the sun was shining. पंछी गा रहे थे और सूरज रोशनी दे रहा था, चमक रहा था. Overlapping actions, when the two actions are combines each other to form a sentence. I was walking to the station when I met John. मैं स्टेशन की तरफ जा रहा था जब मैं जॉन से मिला. Some past habits, I was constantly singing. मैं पूरा टाइम गाती रहती थी. Emphasize of length of action, I was working in the garden all day. जब हम किसी एक्शन पे एम्फोसाइज करते हैं कि हम ये काम कर रहे थे कितने टाइम पीरियड के लिए, तो मैं पूरा दिन गार्डन में काम कर रही थी. आई वॉज वर्किंग इन द गार्डन ऑल डे. Let's see the rules of past continuous tense. So, subject verb agreement shows how we are going to use verb with the pronoun so we can form a meaningful sentence in that tense. So, here we are going to use was plus verb plus ing with I. I was playing. मैं खेल रही थी. He, she, it plus was plus were plus ing. So she was singing. वो गा रही थी. You, we, they plus were plus were plus were plus ing. They were running. वो भाग रहे थे. Here you must have observed that we only used verb plus ing in this tense, and before that we are using a helping verb was or were. Alright, so in past continuous tense we always use helping verb was and were plus verb plus ing. Alright, let's see through some more examples. So some examples are, let's see, I was walking in the park when I met Kriti. मैं walk कर रही थी park में जब मैं कृति को मिली. Alan was cutting the grass in the garden when the snake appeared. वो grass काट रहा था garden में जब एकदम से snake आ गया. Mary was going to accept the job offer in New York but changed his mind. Mary जॉब ऑफर एक्सेप्ट करने ही वाली थी बट एकदम से उसने अपना माइंड चेंज कर लिया. द सन वॉज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली व्हेन आई वोक अप. जब मैं उठी तो सन बहुत तेज चमक रहा था, शाइन कर रहा था. यू वर मेकिंग पिज्जा फॉर मी. तुम मेरे लिए पिज्जा बना रहे थे. We were sitting outside while the planes were flying overhead. जब मैं बाहर बैठी थी तो ऊपर planes उड़ रहे थे आसमान में. Our neighbors were telling us funny stories about their childhood. हमारे neighbors हमें stories बता रहे थे अपने childhood की. So now just let's recap what we have done today. We have done past continuous tense, and what does this tell us? Past continuous tense tells us about the story background. It tells us about overlapping actions. It also tells us about some past habits or the emphasis of length of actions, how long that action happened in the past. It tells us about all these things. Let's take a recap of rules. I plus was plus verb plus ing. He, she, it plus was plus verb plus ing. You, we, they plus verb plus ing. So in this we have used subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. ठीक है. What is subject? Subject is noun or a pronoun. I have mentioned only pronouns here, but you can use any noun in place of these pronouns. Alright, let's see some more examples here. She was cooking in the morning. वो खाना बना रही थी सुबह. I was sleeping when you came back. मैं सो रही थी जब तुम आए. We were playing when it rained heavily. जब हम खेल रहे थे तो बारिश होने लग गई बहुत तेज तेज. He was driving all day long. वो ड्राइव कर रहा था पूरा दिन. Yes. So thank you for listening and watching this video, and I hope you have understood it well. And if you have not, then please go and watch it again and again, twice and thrice, so that you can know the concepts, and also you can imply them in your daily life. And I have also given you assignment along with this video. Let's discuss the assignment. In this question 1, you have to choose the appropriate option according to past continuous tense. Of course, we have done past continuous tense. That means you have to choose appropriate option according to that. Alright. In question 2, you have to change the verb into simple past or past continuous tense. You can use both, but you have to see carefully where you have to use simple past and where you have to use past continuous. The hint is mostly you have to use past continuous in the first blank and simple past in second blank, mostly, but that doesn't mean always. Now move on to question 3. Here I have given you some pictures. You have to make a sentence using past continuous tense. Alright. Then in question 4, you have to tick those questions which tells you the things that happened in past. So basically past tense में जो सेंटेंस बना हुआ है उसको टिक करना है that it is a past tense sentence. Now in question 5, you have to change the sentence in past continuous tense. कोई और tense में लिखे हुए हैं sentences और आपको इसे past continuous में change करना है. Alright, so this is a very easy assignment. You have to do it so that you can assess your knowledge, that what you have learned today. I hope you have learned well. If not, then go and watch again and do this assignment, and don't cheat and don't take help from your parents. Try and do it yourself. Okay, bye bye, take care, stay healthy, stay home, stay safe. Bye.